Welcome to GK Guruji channel. Here we completed most important general knowledge questions series. Today we read most important headquarters in India asked in various exams. Questions are very important in exams, so read and note all question carefully. Also we have completed easy GK series MCQ type question most important in exams. See those videos. Link in description box. Let's start. Today we read very important headquarters in Indian organization. This is very important information in exams and others knowledges. Let's start. 1. Axis Bank headquarters is located at Mumbai. 2. Bank of Baroda headquarters is located at Vadodara and Mumbai. 3. Bajaj Auto headquarters is located at Pune. 4. Bank of India headquarters is located at Mumbai. 5. Bharat Electronics headquarters is located at Bengaluru. 6. Bharati Airtel headquarters is located at New Delhi. 7. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Bhel, headquarters is located at New Delhi. 8. Biocon headquarters is located at Bengaluru. 9. Britannia Industries headquarters is located at Kolkata. 10. Canara Bank headquarters is located at Bengaluru. 11. Dabur India headquarters is located at Ghaziabad. 12. Real Estate Company DLF headquarters is located at New Delhi. 13. Eicher Group's headquarters is located at Gurgaon. 14. Gas Authority of India Limited, GAIL, headquarters is located at New Delhi. 15. HCL Technologies headquarters is located at Noida. 16. HDFC Bank headquarters is located at Mumbai. 17. Hero MotoCorp headquarters is located at New Delhi. 18. HPCL headquarters is located at Mumbai. 19. ICICI Bank headquarters is located at Mumbai. 20. IDBI headquarters is located at Mumbai. 21. Indian Oil Corporation headquarters is located at New Delhi. 22. Infosys headquarters is located at Bengaluru. 23. ITC headquarters is located at Kolkata. 24. L&T headquarters is located at Mumbai. 25. Merrico headquarters is located at Mumbai. 26. Mahindra & Mahindra headquarters is located at Mumbai. 27. Maruti Suzuki headquarters is located at New Delhi. 28. MTNL headquarters is located at New Delhi. 29. Nalco headquarters is located at BH Baneshwar. 30. Nicholas P. Ramal headquarters is located at Mumbai. 31. NIIT headquarters is located at Gurgaon. 32. NTPC headquarters is located at New Delhi. 33. ONGC headquarters is located at Dehradun. 34. Pantaloon Retail headquarters is located at Mumbai. 35. Polaris Labs headquarters is located at Chennai. 36. Power Grid Corporation headquarters is located at Gurgaon. 37. Punjab National Bank headquarters is located at New Delhi. 38. Indian Overseas Bank headquarters is located at Chennai. 39. Andhra Bank headquarters is located at Hyderabad. 40. Reliance Industries headquarters is located at Mumbai. 41. Shipping Corporation of India headquarters is located at Mumbai. 42. State Bank of India headquarters is located at Mumbai. 43. SAIL, Steel Authority of India, headquarters is located at New Delhi. 44. TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, headquarters is located at Mumbai. 45. Tata Motors headquarters is located at Mumbai. 46. Tata Steel headquarters is located at Mumbai. 47. Torrent Pharma headquarters is located at Ahmedabad. 48. TVS Motors headquarters is located at Chennai. 49. Wipro headquarters is located at Bengaluru. 50. Autobindo Pharma headquarters is located at Hyderabad. 51. IDFC, Infrastructure Development Finance Company, headquarters is located at Chennai. 52. Rajesh Exports headquarters is located at Bengaluru. 53. Flipkart headquarters is located at Bengaluru. 54. Hexaware headquarters is located at Mumbai. 55. Allahabad Bank headquarters is located at Kolkata. 56. Havells India Ltd headquarters is located at Noida. Thank you so much watching this video. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.